Hi, I'm Marna, and I found this great doll at a thrift store, and I wanted to show you the stand. I have trouble with stands. This is a Shibajuku doll. Her name is Yoko. I really like this doll. I found her used. She did not look like this when I found her. She looked like this. This is what she looked like when I found her on the shelf. And I think I paid $3.99. And because I like the doll, I paid it. I will wash up this hair and show you what we have. I laid my doll down on a paper bag and I drew around her to make a pattern. This might be a little thick down here. We're going to call them bell bottoms. We're just trying this pattern, see if it fits. Then I took some fabric, some stretch fabric. I have the most stretch going across the body, not up and down. I pinned that down. I'm going to cut this out. I'm going to run stitches, turn it inside correct, and we'll see how it fits her. I've got the seams in, so what I'm going to do is turn these inside out, and the way I like to do it is take a safety pin, catch the bottom of the pants, shut it, and then just take it up between, and you do that on both sides. So we've got her pants on, a little loose here. I'm okay with it because this little dress is going to come down over it or top, and I'm going to put these about flat-footed Barbie shoes on her, and that's what you can do when you find a doll that you like in a thrift store with bad hair and no clothes. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you'll leave a like and subscribe. Remember, for every doll you pick up at a garage sale or thrift store and clean up and fix up and so far, you're saving it from the landfill.